Hello friends, welcome to my new tutorial of Facebook API conversion. So today's topic, how to item with dynamic value. In the last video I showed you how to drag view item event, but did not show you how to set the dynamic value like content type, content ID, value, currency. So how to do that? So first of all, you have to understand the data layer to send the view item with dynamic value to Facebook pixel. So if you click on view item after going to the debugging mode on Google Tag Manager, just click on the data layer option. You can see here there are lots of data. Now if you want to track here, if you want to track the ID, view item ID, then you have to understand the data. Without understanding data, you can track the data. So you can see here this second bracket is called objective, and you have passed select ecommerce dot items. Here you can see items dot 0 dot item ID. Like this you can take this item ID. So here I have already write down the variable. First of all, you have to create variable. I've already write down here. You can see here ecommerce dot items dot 0 dot item ID, ecommerce dot value, ecommerce dot item dot item name, ecommerce dot currency. So you have to take from it here. You have to understand the data layer first. So let's create variable first. So go to your Google Tag Manager and click on variable. Here I will do copy paste. So it will be user defined variable. We have to create user defined variable. So click on here variable configuration, then click on data layer variable, and I have to copy this. This is the name of, this is the variable name, TLV product ID. You can give it any name, but this should be, this ecommerce item ID should be according to the data layer. So this is the product ID. This variable is for product ID. So create another variable. So this is for price, view item. This for name, ecommerce dot item dot item name. You have to take all this from a data layer. There are the data layer varies from website to website. So without understanding the data layer properly, you can do this. So I have already created the variables. So now I will send this variable with view item to Facebook pixel. So here the tag I created in the last video. So here click on here, you have to edit it and go to object properties. Here you have to add object here. So property name should be like this: content type, content ID, content name, value, currency. You can call it this property name from Facebook. So Facebook suggests this name. You have to type this exactly, otherwise it will not work. So these 5 property name, these are also called dynamic value. Here I have to put the property value. These are called dynamic value. So property value, so I have already created the variable, so I will here just content type. You have to type this content type, product. You have to type this, and then you have to add that variable content ID. FB, there will be product ID, then name, this is the name, then value, there will be product price, the value, and add the currency also, currency. So I have added everything in the object properties, and then save this. Again submit and publish this tag, otherwise it will not work. So today I will also show you whether these event are going to the Facebook pixel or not. So let's connect this debugging mode again, because we have set up a new tag, and set up in every new tag we have to connect the debugging mode again, otherwise it will not work. You can continue. So you can see here the page view is receiving this from browser side. Page view is receiving, and let's see whether the view item is receiving or not. Product on the debugging mode and come to the event. Let's see. You can see here view item. If I click on any page, the page view will be proceed, and view item is in particular. You can see also the dynamic value like value, content ID, content type, content name also are coming. Blue denim jeans, you can see here blue denim jeans, $150. Here you can see value 150. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like the video, and I'm a full-time freelancer. If you need this service, if you need to done properly Facebook API conversion and GA for tracking, then you can hire me.